Gawa tayo ng eggplant with minced po. Ito, eggplant, chili. This one, big and the small. This one, minced po. We have, and we put also spring onion after cooking all that thing. Means but we need to put some white pepper, marinate. Ganito. Ikat natin pahaba. Katapos, i-fry. Ganyan. Ikat din natin itong chili. Into cubes. Ito yung malaking sili. Tapos ikat. Ito rin pwede rin natin lagyan ng ganitong maliit na sili. Or sili padi. So, next step, i-little toast natin ito or i-fry. Here you go. Ganito siya kakulay brown. I-toast lang. So, it's time to take out. See? Ganyan siya. Another round. Next step, we start to do the whole recipe now. I put already cooking oil. Garlic. Here. Next. The marinated hanggang bago yung kulay ng minced po. At pwede ilagay ang the chili and then the eggplant toasted. Okay, what I go. This recipe is I think quite fast, easy to do, to make. Pwede nyo i-try gawin. Masarap siya eh. Then, the chili. Sa akin kasi mahilig ako ng spicy. I like so spicy thing, food. If you are not fun spicy food, you can put less chili. And next, it's time to put this one. Just pour in. Then, time to season, we put a bit this sauce or patis. Then, can also put a light sauce, soya sauce. Then we put a bit also oyster sauce. Then stir up. You need to try. I'm okay with this. Yeah. So, okay. Then, time to scoop up. Turn up the heat. So, put it in the plate. Easy to cook, guys, this one. So fast. There you go. And dyan na tayo ilagay yung sprinkle spring onion. You see? Maganda na siya. Mukhang maganda na. Oh, ayan na siya, guys. Enjoy watching this video. I'm making this recipe, guys. Hit thumbs up and please subscribe and please give your comments down below. And hope you enjoy watching this one. You try this one. Looks so yummy. Eggplant. Stir fry eggplant with minced. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this one. Bye.